In a quiet corner of Whispering Woods, there lived a gentle beast named Benny. Benny was not like the other animals. He was big and had sharp claws, but he meant no harm. He lived alone, away from the other animals, because they were scared of him. One day, a little rabbit named Ruby hopped into Benny's forest. Ruby was lost and scared, but Benny saw her and approached slowly. "Don't be afraid, little one," said Benny. "I mean you no harm." Ruby looked up at Benny, her eyes filled with fear, but she found herself not running away. Benny promised to help her find her way back home, and together they ventured through the woods. With Benny's guidance, Ruby learned that he was not a monster, but a kind and gentle soul. They met many animals on their journey, but none would talk to Benny. Ruby spoke up for him, telling them of his kindness and bravery. Slowly, the other animals began to see Benny in a new light. Finally, they arrived at Ruby's home, and she thanked Benny for his help. Benny waved goodbye, and as Ruby hopped away, he felt a sense of belonging for the first time. From that day on, Benny was no longer a beast to the other animals, but a friend. As Ruby went to sleep that night, she thought about Benny and the lesson he had taught her. She realized that people and animals are not always what they seem on the outside. With a smile on her face, she drifted off to sleep, dreaming of her new friend Benny. The end.